You could absolutely be the number one marketer in your area. Most real estate agents are out there doing bus benches and the little dividers at the shopping store, and they're advertising in newspapers and these old school outdated methods that do not work anymore. But if you're a real estate agent that understands modern times, it's all about using brand new strategies, brand new hacks, especially online on social media that nobody else is using. What if I could show you a way to be able to create a TikTok video that went massively viral, that generated highly qualified leads? In fact, what if I showed you how to advertise that TikTok video and get leads for as little as $2 each? What if I showed you a way to be able to build your TikTok following into the tens of thousands for less than a penny per follower, to build you that credibility, to make you stand out as a real estate agent? In fact, when I'm done training you, I have no doubt that all your real estate agent peers are going to want to pay you to teach them your secrets on how you're doing what you're doing. That's what we're going to teach inside of today's session, which is all about how, as a real estate agent, to be able to build, grow, and scale your business by generating you more high quality traffic, leads, and sales online. Let's get started. Do you understand? If you're a real estate agent, everything I'm saying sounds good. If I add in there some screenshots, some social proof, some background images of real estate, if I even give an example of a real estate agent that has a large following, or a real estate related video that has millions of views to show them some social proof, it's game over. Every real estate agent I know is going to pay $100 a month to join this program. Bottom line, game over, done deal.